Hi guys, come on in. I know I'm just jumping on quick for a live. I'm at my friend Adriana Grimaldi's house and we did a really quick install. She is having a big party this weekend with her family. And you remember the beautiful garland and the wreath that used to hang behind my head? Well, it's now in Adriana's house. And we did a little bit of work outside and we did some work inside. You don't have to hide. What are you doing?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. She's hiding. Hi, Jill. Say hi. I'm a hot mess express. As usual, I'm sweating like a sinner in church, as you know. All my people know me. And I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to show you her beautiful home. Oh, she says, wait a minute. But I'm going to just flip this. And my what? Oh, I'm not going to, it's fine. You can move it if you want. Okay. She's worried about her house. Like, her house is pristine. All right, so let me flip this around and I'm going to show you. Oh my goodness. This is how you walk into her house. It's so beautiful. And everything's white. Like, Nana's going to freak out. Like, they let JoJo in there. So she has this beautiful table. She did this. We just added a little teeny peak of greens. She made her own little sleigh. But this is another garland that I made last night. We added lights, and it's a sister, not a twin. We finally got to use those onion celadon and gold. Everything in here is pearl, gold, champagne, and celadon. And then that is the garland that we made, and we added lights, and then we added lights to the wreath way up there. It came out so pretty, you guys. Hey, Tom. Hi, Garlene. Hi, Jill. How are you? And then over here, like beautiful, beautiful windows and stuff. She's got all the golds and really, it's just so gorgeous. Look at the chandelier. It's so pretty. The windows. And then we did this little doodad up here for the centerpiece. Hi, Michelle. I know it is so beautiful here. And then we coordinated this piece. And of course, she loved this. Don't pay no attention to my my little tag that I left on there. But it looks like just this little piece of jewelry that goes right along the cabinet there. And we made everything coordinate back to the celadon and the champagne. And we worked on this really pretty piece right here. Right? It's absolutely stunning in here. We've got this pretty setup right here. Pay no attention to my iced tea. Really, really pretty. Everywhere. Pretty, pretty, pretty. It's such a beautiful home. Thank you, Billy and Janice and Deborah. Thank you all so much. I can go outside and show you outside. We just put some lights on some pretty urns out there. Show them the TV room. Oh, okay. Oh, well, not really. So this is her beautiful manger. It's really pretty. This is actually a painting of a chandelier. It's so pretty. And this is her little TV room. It's so gorgeous. So we have this. Everything is so pretty. This one, we just took the pot. It had some other beautiful things in it. We took it apart and we made sure that it mixed with the same greens and the champagne and the gold. And then over here, we did this one. We ripped everything out of that one and repurposed this little jar. Michelle, do you recognize your berries? Those pretty berries are from the Greenery Gal. Hi, Regina. Hey, John. Hi, Angie. How are you? This is their beautiful space. It's stunning here. Could just move myself right in. It's so pretty. And then outside, we didn't do the wreath this year. That's a next year project. They just moved into this home. So I'm going to take you outside. We have, this is all real greenery. And that is done. Oh, it's raining. So we just added some gold pine cones and some lights. And over here, we have some other beautiful urns with some pine cones and gold pine cones. Look how bright and green they look here. So we added a little bit of gold in there. What did Jesus? Did you just say a wordy dirty? No, I'm just kidding. One of your lights aren't working?
I'm looking for my ducking lights.
her duck and lights. She can't find them. So, oh wait, did you find them? She found one. So we have to get her some battery operated ones out here that are on a timer.
Don't put me in there.
Too late. Say hi.
Well, hello. I had so much fun doing nothing.
It was so great. And next year we're gonna do her Christmas tree.
I love it.
Yes, with the celadons and the gold and the champagne. It's just all so pretty. I know you guys are thinking, what the hell? You're the rustic girl, but yeah, I'll just show you quick. Look at the chandeliers. Ooh, they're so pretty. Ooh, la, la. So I'm just taking you through one more time. She has a big party this weekend. We have, look at that pretty glass. Everything's glass. I have to be careful not to break anything. I love the deer. Excuse me. I have eaten so much flocking tonight. Hi, Ellen Wellen. Love the deer. The gold trees. Everything just really came together nicely. You know, I get nervous when I mix metals, but you guys, it's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Right? Just add a little touch of the greenery to keep everything looking congruent, right? More gold, diamondy trees. This is so pretty over here. And we do have the lights turned down. But that chandelier, it looks like leaves. It's so breathtaking. Look at how lovely. So she's got a big party. Look at this. You guys, even this, I love this little Santa. Number one, it has a little doggy, but his soft grayish colors worked perfectly with this little champagne and trees and gold and just like blended right in nicely, right? So that's it, you guys. Super quick live of all the beautiful things for her party this weekend. And I told you I would come live, so I decided to do it. Oh, Adriana's hiding. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you want to use those pearl celadon ribbons, you should do it because they look amazing. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Be kind to one another. Love you all. See you soon. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays from Adriana. Bye.